Dear viewers of Madani Channel, the month of Safar is also blessed like the other months of the year. Therefore, abstain from committing sins in this month and perform many good deeds. Make preparations for voluntary fasts. Perform voluntary salah, recite invocations and send salat upon the Prophet in abundance, and act upon the orado wazaif reported from the pious predecessors. By virtue of this, you will gain goodness in abundance, Insha'Allah Azza wa Jal. In the month of Safar, after the Isha Salah of the first night, every Muslim should offer 4 rakah of Salah. In the first rakah, recite Suratul Kafirun, Qul Ya Ayyuhal Kafirun 15 times after Suratul Fatiha. In the second rakah, recite Suratul Ikhlas, Qul Huwallahu Ahad 11 times after Suratul Fatiha. In the third rakah, recite Suratul Falaq, Qul A'udhu bi Rabbil Falaq 15 times after Suratul Fatiha. In the fourth rakah, recite Suratul Nas, Qul A'udhu bi Rabbin Nas 15 times. After performing salam, recite Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka nasta'een a few times, followed by salat upon the Prophet 70 times. Allah Almighty will bestow such a person with a great reward and protect him from every calamity.